Yes, boys, do you remember? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Go- yes. What is government? Government is like a managing committee. Okay. It functions. There are many functions of the government. Okay, to resolve economical and social problems. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Where should be road constructed? Where should be the
Yes.
prices of the commodities like petrol के price increase करने चाहिए, decrease करने चाहिए. Understood?
इंक्रीज करना चाहिए.
All this is the work of government.
Yes. Ma'am, can I read
Correct?
a Sorry, Muhammad Fazil?
Yes, Fazil.
3.1. Say some newspaper headline. You must have come across the word government in newspaper, radio, and TV. What is government? What function does it
Functions.
problem work? What, ma'am?
What are the functions of government?
What are the function function does it perform, and what is importance in our life? We will studied our about the government in this lesson.
In this
You
lesson?
must be in this lesson. You must be aware that a country need a government to make a ways is pre each construction take this decision and implement them. For example, where should school and road be constructed,
Constructed.
constructed? Should the rate of the different commodities commodities be increased or decreased? How it is ensure the electrical in supervised to everyone. Decreation such as
Decisions.
these are
Decisions.
decreation
Decisions.
decision such as these are unusually taken by the government. Thus, the government performs a very important
Function.
function. We came to know about the government's work through the media.
Hmm. So, beta, I explained this in the last class, right, Zaki? What is the
Yes,
functions of the government? Remember? Now, beta,
yes,
I think, now we all know that the institution which makes laws and execute it is called a government. Who is called a government, beta? कोई भी institute, any institute which makes laws. Okay, what does it make, beta? Which makes laws. Okay. Sorry, there was a truck passing by. It was making a lot of noise, so I muted. Okay. So which makes laws. Laws means what? All the rules and regulations. Okay. And executives, it is called a government. Is it clear? Now what? Why it is required? Is for example, government decides okay, where should be schools, where should be roads constructed, right? All the rates of the commodity should be increased or decreased. How to ensure that electricity is supplied to everyone, right? All these are the different works which has to be done with by the government. Now, mostly, okay, most probably, we come to know about the government's work through media. How do we come to know? Through media. Nowadays, media means what? By WhatsApp, by by WhatsApp, then by newspapers, all this Instagram and all this. We come to know different good works which are done by government, right? People keep on posting that government is doing this, government is doing that, government is not means criticism. You can say everyone criticizes द वर्क्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. किसी को अच्छा नहीं लगता है गवर्नमेंट का वर्क, किसी को बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि चलो गवर्नमेंट ने अच्छा कर दिया, हर जगह स्कूल्स बन गए, हर जगह वॉशरूम्स है, then everywhere is neatness and cleanliness is maintained, right? Someone says good points, someone also criticizes means someone also says bad points also of our government, right? So both the ways we can say that the functions of the government are many, है ना? Functions of the governments are many, right? We will see now the functions of the government. Yes, who will read? Asaria Zoe Abbas will read. Asaria Zoe Abbas. Okay, Zaki. Okay, can you listen me, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why no answers? Yes, Zaki, read better. The functions of the
Okay, ma'am.
government.
Yes, ma'am. Function of the government. The government is like managing committee. Usually in a democracy, the government works as per the wishes of the people and for their welfare. The government also takes various steps for economic and social problems of the people. It is concerned about the nation economic condition and problems of poverty, unemployment, literacy, health, etc. It also provides various facilities like making low price food grains available through ration assistance during disasters, and Kalimat is established as the educational institute and hospital and runs service like transport, judiciary, post and
Judiciary.
telegraph,
Judiciary.
judiciary, post and telegraph, railways, etc. The
Etc.
etc. The government also maintains friendly relations with other countries.
Absolutely right. Now, what are the functions of government? Okay. See, mainly the functions of the government, if you see, it is to resolve, okay, resolve economical and social problems of the country, of the nation. Apart from that, take care of the financial condition of the country, how much money is requirement for the construction of roads, villages के development के लिए, farmers के growth के लिए, right? To plan out all this. Yes, financial condition of the government of the country is to be checked. Manage issues like poverty, unemployment, literacy ratio, sex ratio, health and lifestyle of the citizens, etc., etc. All these are what, beta? All these are what, beta? Hello, boys.
Function of government.
Function of government.
Yes. Basically, basically, what is government known as?
And the the man which makes law.
Law managing committee. What does it mean, beta? Government means what?
OPRD committee.
Yes. What it
Ma'am,
is no, what it is known as? It is no, what it is known as managing committee.
managing committee.
It is known as managing committee. Clear till here, everyone?
Yes.
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 Okay. Now, such a type of managing committee is also working in all the countries. See, if you remember, in the sixth class, I had explained you. Do you remember that we have three types of government: monarchy government, then we have monarchical government, then we have democratic government. India has what type of government? Democratic government. Communist government we saw. Remember or not? Boys.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. But
Yes.
India has what type of government? Democratic government. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes.
To provide literacy. Literacy means what? Anyone knows what is literacy's meaning?
Ma'am,
Lit-
what?
लिटरेसी का मीनिंग क्या है, किसी को पता है? लिटरेसी. ઓકે. લિટરેસી નો મીનિંગ કે જે આપણે એજ્યુકેશન લઈએ છીએ ને, that is literacy. What it is? That is literacy. Understood? We are getting educated, so we are literate people. And those who are not getting education, they are illiterate people. Understood? Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
What is literacy say?
Ma'am, unemployment means
પેલા લિટરેસી એટલે શું, ઈ મને કયો.
knowledgeful people. Oh,
લિટરેસી
the
પૂછ્યું મેં.
people, ma'am, yes, ma'am. The people who educate is called literacy, and the people who doesn't educate is illiteracy.
હા, illiteracy. હવે અનએમ્પ્લોયમેન્ટ જાણવું છે ને. અનએમ્પ્લોયમેન્ટ એટલે શું કે કોને કામ મળે છે, ઇટ ઇઝ એમ્પ્લોયમેન્ટ. જોબ, બિઝનેસ, એ બધું એમ્પ્લોયમેન્ટમાં આવે. અને અનએમ્પ્લોયમેન્ટ એટલે શું કે કોને કામ નથી મળતું. એટલે એ બધું કોને જોવું પડે? ગવર્મેન્ટને જોવું પડે કે બધા પબ્લિકને કામ નથી મળતું, તો એ લોકો માટે જોબ અરાઇઝ કરવી. સમજાણું? એ બધું અનએમ્પ્લોયમેન્ટમાં આવે. ઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ ઓફ પોવર્ટી. પ્રોબ્લેમ. હા.
Yes, ma'am. वो
પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ ઓફ પોવર્ટી એટલે જે ગરીબાઈ છે, હે ને, એને કેટલી પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ થાય છે. એ લોકોને વોશરૂમ્સ નથી મળતા, તો એ લોકો માટે વોશરૂમ્સ બનાવવા, એ લોકો માટે ફેસિલિટી કરવી, સસ્તા ઘર આપવા, તો એ લોકો ઘરમાં રહે કે ના કે બધે ઝૂંપડા બનાવે. અન્ડરસ્ટુડ? એ લોકો માટે બેઝિક ફેસિલિટીઝ જેમ કે હોસ્પિટલ્સ હોવી જોઈએ. એવી પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ એ લોકોના સ્મોલ સ્મોલ પ્રોબ્લેમ સોલ્વ થવા જોઈએ. એ લોકોને ડેલી અર્નિંગ્સ, ડેલી વેજીસ મળે, ફ્રીમાં ફૂડ મળે, અમુક ટાઈપના ઘઉં, ચોખા. અન્ડરસ્ટુડ? કે એ લોકોની પોવર્ટી પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ જે છે એ બધા ક્યોર અપ થાય, સિક્યોર થાય. રાઈટ? એ લોકોને ફ્રી હોસ્પિટલાઇઝેશન મળે ગવર્મેન્ટ હોસ્પિટલ્સમાં, ફ્રી વેક્સિનેશન મળે. રાઈટ? અમુક ટાઈપના ઓપરેશન્સ એ લોકોને કરવા પડે, તો મા અમૃતમ કાર્ડ ને એવા બધા કાર્ડ હોય જેનાથી એ લોકો ફ્રી ઓપરેશન્સ કરાવી શકે. એ તો એ શું કર્યું ગવર્મેન્ટે? પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ ઓફ પોવર્ટી ને, ગરીબાઈના પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ સોલ્વ કર્યા. અન્ડરસ્ટુડ? તો એનાથી શું થાય? એનાથી શું થાય કે આપણા જે કન્ટ્રી હોય, આપણું જે નેશન હોય, એનું અપલિફ્ટમેન્ટ થાય. યુ નો, ઇકોનોમિક કન્ડિશન્સ પણ સારી થાય. યુ નો, નીટનેસ, ક્લીનલીનેસ મેન્ટેન થાય. અને પ્લસ ધ મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ થિંગ, વી હેવ અ ડેમોક્રેટિક ગવર્મેન્ટ વેર એવરીવન ઇઝ ઇક્વલ टू फॉर द गवर्नमेंट. इन द गवर्नमेंट्स आइज एवरीवन इज इक्वल, चाहे वो गरीब हो, अमीर हो, चाहे वो कोई कास्ट का हो, चाहे कोई रिलीजन का हो, चाहे वो नॉर्थ का हो, साउथ का हो, ईस्ट का हो या वेस्ट का हो, या फिर वो कोई भी लैंग्वेज बोलता हो, या फिर काला हो, गोरा हो, कुछ भी हो. इन स्पाइट ऑफ ऑल द डाइवर्सिटीज, गवर्नमेंट का रोल क्या होता है कि टू सी दैट एवरीवन गेट्स ऑल द फैसिलिटीज. करेक्ट? Correct? There are no different roads for the people who are poor to walk for, and there should be no different roads for the people who are rich. Do you get my point?
yes, ma'am.
Understood? All this is the work of government. Educational institutions set up karwa, hospitals set up karvi, services like transport, judiciary એટલે police નહીં બધું, post and telegraph, રેલવે લાઇન્સ નું મેન્ટેનન્સ.
Yes.
ઓફકોર્સ ગવર્મેન્ટ એક જ બધી જગ્યાએ ના જાય. મ્યુટ યોર માઇન્ડ. એ શું કરે? What does it do? It will give a committee. Railway committee will take care of railway department. Post and telegraph post system will take care of the post and telegraph. જ્યુડિશરીમાં લો અને ઓર્ડર આવી જાય. ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટેશનમાં બધું બસ ફેસિલિટીઝ, ટ્રેન ફેસિલિટીઝ, ગુડ્સ કેરી ફ્રોમ વન પ્લેસ ટુ અધર પ્લેસીસ. અન્ડરસ્ટુડ? એ બધું આવી જાય. અન્ડરસ્ટુડ? હોસ્પિટલ્સમાં આખું એક હોસ્પિટલ્સનું ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન્સ અલગ હોય. અન્ડરસ્ટુડ? રેશન શોપ્સનું ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન્સ અલગ હોય. અન્ડરસ્ટુડ? એવી રીતે બધા એના અલગ 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 ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ્સ કરી નાખે, એના અલગ અલગ મિનિસ્ટર્સ કરી નાખે, જે એ પર્ટિક્યુલરનું જ ધ્યાન રાખે. અન્ડરસ્ટુડ? ચાલો. So we'll revise once the functions of government and then we'll see importance of the government. Chalo, who will read this para? Hello? Boys, you were listening me or you were not listening me?
I'm listening.
Okay, okay. Chalo, who will revise this paragraph? Functions of the government.
Sorry, Mohammed Fazil.
Okay, Fazil. You already took one chance. Anyone else? Hasnain or someone else who has not took the chance?
Modabba. Purani.
Yes. Yes, beta. Read, beta. Yes, Abbas. Mohammed Abbas.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Functions of the government. The government is like a managing committee. Usually, is a democrat. क्या है वो? Democrat. Ma'am. Ma'am. मैम
Yes, beta. Say.
वो क्या है डिमोन
સ્પેલિંગ પડો બેટા તો જ સમજાશે તમને, તો તમને પછી
DEMOCRACY
મોનાર્કિયલ ગવર્મેન્ટ. હમણાં જ મેં કીધું ને તમને મોનાર્કી ગવર્મેન્ટ હતું, ડેમોક્રેટિક ગવર્મેન્ટ હતું, અને ત્રણ ટાઈપના ગવર્મેન્ટ છે. ઓકે, મોનાર્કિયલ ગવર્મેન્ટ, democratic government and dictatorship government. Okay, we have in India democratic government. Okay,
democratic. The government works as per the wishes of the people and for the welfare. The government also take various steps to solve the economic and social problems of the people. It contented about the nation economic condition and problems of poverty, unemployment,
literacy.
health, etc. It also provides various facilities like making low priced food grain available to the rational shops against during the
Assistance.
assistance during the
Disasters. During
disasters and
and calamities.
calamities, establishments, education, institutions,
Institutions.
and hospitals, and run services like transport, ports, judiciary, and telegraph, railway, etc. The government also maintains friendly relations with other countries.
Yes, very good, very good. Chalo, anyone any doubt in the functions of government? કોઈને કઈ doubt? Your doubts are solved, right?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Ma'am, can I read
Yes, beta, you can read importance of the government.
importance of the government?
The government is necessary to ensure that the law is some
Lenny, law,
for
law,
everyone.
law is same.
Law, law, law is same for everyone. It's farm law and see that it is employment by the contracting
Concern, authorities,
authority and the police. A very important function of the government is to make rules and regulation whenever whenever there is a policy generating.
public,
The
go ahead.
public generating. The government must play a vital role in maintenance law, order, and peace, and also ensure the development of the nation.
Very good, beta. Can I know your good name?
Mendes and Durrani.
Very good, Burani. थोड़ा practice छूट गया है पुरानी reading का. Please see that whenever you are free, read some literature, read some books. Okay. Very good. You did a good attempt. So the importance of government. See, beta, government is necessary in all the countries. Okay. To ensure what, beta? To ensure that law is same for everyone. ये मैंने पहले ही आपको बता दिया था. क्या किस लिए होता है गवर्नमेंट? To ensure that the law is same for everyone. Okay. Now it frames laws and sees that it is implemented by the concerned authorities and the police, by whom it is maintained and it is followed or not. Okay. A very important function of the government is to make rules and regulations. What is the important, very important function of the government? What is the most important function of the government? To make rules and regulations whenever there is public gathering. देखो public gathering में खास है ना. In the public gathering, it is very important to see that the rules and regulations are maintained. See, for example, if I say right now public gatherings are allowed or not? Are they allowed right now?
What,
Are
ma'am?
the public gatherings अभी allowed है कि नहीं allowed है?
Not allowed.
हाँ?
Am I allowed?
They are allowed, but we have to take the permission अगर हमें ज्यादा लोग इकट्ठा करना है because of the COVID conditions, right? So ऐसे rules and regulations बनाना बहुत important होता है. Do you get my point? Thus, the government thus plays a vital role in maintaining law, order, and peace, and also ensures the development of the nation. देखो ये सारे काम गवर्नमेंट क्यों करता है? 1 minute बेटा. I by mistake I touched myself. Okay. So importance of government, right? Because of these rules and regulations only we are today having all the rights as an Indian citizen, right? So it's our duty to maintain law, order, and peace, right? No doubt, the government is the person is the committee which plays a vital role in maintaining law and order and peace, and also ensures the complete development of a particular nation. Apart from that, it also maintains good relations, right, with the other countries, so that peace and security is there in our country, right? So all these are functions of the government and importance of the government. Chalo, Zaki, can you revise the importance of the government?
Ma'am, sorry, Muhammad Fazil.
Fazil, the next one I'll give you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, can you listen me, beta?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
but
can read Asaria Zohair Abbas.
yes, Zohir Abbas. I called you previously also. You didn't reply.
But from importance of government.
Okay, we will revise functions and importance both. Okay.
Okay. Functions of the government. The government is like a managing
Managing
committee.
committee.
Usually in a democracy, the government works as per the wishes of the people and for their welfare. The government also takes various steps to solve the economic and social problems of the people. It is considered about the nation, economic condition, and problems of poverty, unemployment, literacy, health, etc. It also provides various facilities like making low
Low
presents
price food grain.
priced food grains available through ratio shops, assistance during disasters and calamities, establish educational institutions and hospitals, and run service like transport, judi- judiciary, post, and telegram, railways, etc. The government also maintain friendly relation with other countries. Importance of the
Very good.
government.
Very good. See, most important point. The government also maintains friendly relations with other countries. Mm. Yes, continue, Zoe.
Continue.
Yes, beta, continue. I already explained.
Importance of the government. The government is necessary to ensure that the law is same for everyone. It frames laws and sees that it is implemented by the concerned authorities and the police. A very important function of the government is to make rules and regulations where whenever there is a public gathering. The government thus plays a vital role in maintaining law, order, and peace, and also ensure the development of the nation.
Chalo, understood till here, everyone? Any doubt till here? Now
No,
we will
ma'am.
see the government of at different levels. Okay, this is the most important paragraph of the lesson because it is directly connected with your next class syllabus. Okay, but it is very big, so I guess we won't be able to complete right now. Now, without seeing on my screen, you say me what are the different functions of the government. Chalo fast. Then I will again present my screen. Chalo,
Okay,
who
ma'am.
will say? What are the different functions of the government?